Hey guys, hope you're all well. I do have a top on, just in case you're wondering. Today I'm jumping on the bandwagon of doing one of those videos that is like I did the makeup of. I've done a Jamie Genevieve look. I tweeted out asking who you'd want to see me do, and loads of you said Jamie Genevieve. If you don't know her, I'm sure you all know her, but if you don't, she's a Scottish YouTuber. She does amazing makeup tutorials. She weekly vlogs as well. She's huge on Instagram as well. She's bloody gorgeous. I love her. Hi Jamie, if you're watching. Just keep watching if you want to see how I did a Jamie look. I hope you guys like it. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited for this. Okay, I'm gonna follow along as she's doing her one.
YSL All Hours Primer. I've used this a couple of times. One of you guys said it's really, really great.
You guys know I don't usually use primer because I feel like I never see a difference, but I'm probably really wrong.
It's kind of like a milky consistency, and I'm just gonna mostly put that in my centre areas. I'm just gonna put this on with my Smith 115 brush.
Oh, I have that brush. Okay, so I've got this foundation as well. It's the YSL All Hours foundation. It's B60.
I use about 2 pumps in the back of my hand, and that completely covers my whole face.
2 pumps.
Full coverage.
Okay, it's probably gonna take me a while to work this in, so I'm just gonna pause Jamie for a sec. Ooh, it's not matching my forehead. It looks worse in real life. I'm gonna go down my neck a bit as well.
Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium underneath my eyes, Cupid's Bow, a nice natural highlight.
Okay, let's try and do it exactly where she's doing it, because obviously I've got my own way of doing, you know, my usual concealer. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Down her nose, Cupid's Bow. Using this brush again, which is nice and easy. It's crazy, like my skin already looks so much more full coverage than usual. Okay, so I don't have the laying low. Also, I can't do her accent because I can't do accents, but I love her accent so much. I wish I could do it. Yeah, I don't have the laying low paint pot that she's using, but the closest I could find that I have is MAC's Groundwork.
And I'm just using a little concealer buffer brush from GENEVIEVE to pop that on. Kat Von D translucent powder. This is the blotting powder in light.
Okay, I've only got the Fenty Beauty one. I don't have the Kat Von D one. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my under my eyes like she's doing.
Patrick's powder. It is absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, I don't have that one, but I've got just MAC's Prep and Prime loose powder. So I'm gonna use this one.
Put it in the lid.
Okay.
And then I like to just pop that on really. And it just makes me matte, but by the end of my makeup you'll see all the natural, which is actually...
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, oh, it went everywhere. Oh, okay. How does she do it? How do you just pick up a little bit of this powder?
Bronzer I'm going to use is Dark Tan from MAC.
Okay, I've got Dark Tan. I've got Dark Plus bronzer, so I'm going to use this one. And so she's just now bronzing her face, so I'm going to do that. Okay, next she's using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and she was saying that she's using a mixture of this one and this one. Oh, oh good lord. Oh no, look, I can't do this. Why has it done that? Why? Oh no, it's gone so patchy. Wow, it's like my skin's having a reaction here actually, that's really weird. And then she's doing her nose. Ah. Right. Oh, okay. Is that right?
I'll spray my face just now.
Okay, she does all-nighter setting spray. See, that's my accent ability. All-nighter setting spray. That's so bad.
With Patrick Starr's palette. This is the palette Goal Getter. I'm just going to use this.
Okay, so I don't have the palette that Jamie uses, but I've got this one. So she uses, you know, a lot of gorgeous shades. They're like oranges and more like reddy tones. So I've got 2 different palettes. So I'm going to switch between them. This is the Tartelette Toasted palette. So she starts with like a transition shade. So I'm going to use Latte.
We always need to start off with a transition shade first. So little circular movements help blend up towards the brow. This part of the brow, because it gives you a nice...
Oh no, did she not go on the lid? Okay.
So just a little bit at a time, and we're going to start...
Okay, I'm going to find that shade.
And I'm using a new palette. No warm brown eyeshadow haters, okay? And then if you need to, grab a clean brush. So now I'm going to go in with this colour here, and it's a bit of a more like deeper redier brown. We're going to go into that colour, and I'm going to start going onto the lid a little bit.
Okay, wait. I feel like I either blend too much or I don't blend enough. I just feel like I've done it wrong already.
For redier brown.
Yeah, like this one. I don't want to mess this up.
And they're definitely more kind of reddy toned than your usual warm palette.
I'm such a pussy, like I do the smallest amount every time. I feel like I need to add even more red. Like, okay, let's just go for it. Ah! But I also don't want to mess it up. Okay, I've just paused it on her eyes straight on so that I can just kind of recreate. Jamie, don't laugh if you see this.
I'm just going to buff that underneath my eye. And then what you can do is you can go in with your bigger brush in the lighter shades and just really buff that out. I'm going to go in with this colour here, which is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm actually not going to use too much of this colour today, but I want to use a wee...
Right, the darkest one. This one. It's like a really, really dark brown. Like just underneath the red. I don't know if I'm doing this right. It doesn't look that bad to me. I mean, I'm no expert at this type of makeup.
The next product I'm going to use is the Tarte.
I was rummaging around for ages for the same sort of paint pot that she used. And so I'm going to have to kind of make it up as I go along. I've got these two different paint pots. And because her one is quite golden, but I don't know if it's as like warm as Indian wood from MAC. So I might mix these two and try and recreate what she's got. Bam! Where does she do it? All over the lid? Let's see. I'm going to use Indian wood because I think it's much more like what she's got. But my one is so old. I don't know if it's going to even bloody work. This is so fun!
I'm with my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy Glitter. Absolutely love this.
Glitter. The closest I could find was this Charlotte Tilbury palette. This is so fun. Do you know what? This reminds me of when I was at uni and we used to like play around with makeup and like get really creative. I mean, and now I'm like, why don't I do them? They're so fun. Because you know, I've been on YouTube so long and I feel like there came a point where people came on that were actually makeup artists and that were doing it properly. And then I feel like there were so many comments like, you know, it's not as good as so-and-so's, because I wasn't a proper makeup artist. I was just playing around. So then it kind of just made me stop doing it, to be honest, because I was kind of like, I'm just going to leave it to the girls and the guys who know what they're doing. But this is really fun again. So yeah.
Remember what I said about not using the dark on the top? Changed my mind. So I'm going to go in with this dark colour here.
Okay, so then she adds some dark up here. Ah, I've ruined it. Shit. Try and blend it out. Oh no, I've ruined it.
Up the very outer corner. Then I'm going to take a little Smith brush and some of the powder by itself, just to pack on top and blend out a little bit.
Okay, Glossier Boy Brow. I have this. I love these. Usually I do this after, so this is cool to do it differently. I'm so annoyed about this. Like, it just won't blend out. Okay, I'm gonna do lashes. Okay, highlighter. I'm just gonna use my Dior one.
Put a little bit on my forehead because we've used the more matte foundation and powder.
Ooh.
It's nice to just add in the light to your skin.
Oh, I never do that.
Highlighter
That's a good
on
idea.
the very down the bridge as well, and I like to just pat that back with my finger. I'm going to use these from Bleached London. This is the shade Bruised Violet, and this is the little pencil that goes with it, I'm sure.
For the lips, I'm going to do her dark lip as well. Just Charlotte Tilbury's Glastonbury, because it's the closest I think that I have. Okay, let's get the bod out.
Layer, and this.
I just washed my hair this morning, so that's why it's not actually laid properly. Like, it's not all flat, because I just didn't have time to like sit and straighten it this morning. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know. I'm going to do the bit of highlighting like she does. Okay, so I love doing this. It's so fun. Okay, instead of the Charlotte Tilbury one, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty one in Griselda, because the Charlotte Tilbury colour is really nice, but it kind of moves around a bit too much. This is Amazing, I love this. Okay, I do have a top on, I promise. It's just low down because I wanted to get the effect of everything. Yeah, this is my Jamie Genevieve like recreation of her tutorial. I just thought this would be really fun, and loads of you wanted to see me do a Jamie look, and it's so different for me. I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you want to see me do anyone else's makeup, leave it down below. I feel like I should do more heavy looks now because it is really fun. They just take more time, and I think I'm just a really, really lazy person. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give the video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before I go, almost forgot the hoops. That is much more Jamie.